That's the one move that you just did. That's the one move.
Okay, all the things, you know why you put it to me?
So why you tell me everything?
Go. Throw it in there.
Everything?
Yes.
Hi guys, good morning everybody, good morning, good afternoon.
Mother's Day. I'm Sarah.
Quiet. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night everybody. It's Sunday, but it's also a special day. Today is a special day for two reasons. First is my baby got 10 months, my baby turned 10 big months. She's going so fast, she's a big girl now. She can do so many things. 10
And
months.
next one.
And I have a little man beside me. You want to come?
Yes. And
So what is the special day again?
and the next one is because this Mother's Day.
This is a Mother's Day today?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Oh, so it's special day.
Yes, it's a Mother's Day for Jamaica.
Oh, it's a Mother's Day in Jamaica. It's a Mother's Day in different British
Yes,
countries.
also it's a Mother's Day for Mama.
Wow. So what's gonna happen today?
I'm going to do a gift for her.
Oh, you're gonna do something. You're gonna draw some things.
No, I'm just going to make something and it's going to be her gift.
I'm sure you want to know that. I want to know what's gonna be.
Okay.
Alright guys, so today is Mother's Day too, so happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers. You are all great, you did an amazing job, you are doing an amazing job, and I have a mother's at home. Oh, it's the first Mother's Day for Sarah, and it's the fourth one for Tyler, so it's gonna be a special day, I'm sure. Today is still quarantine, so it's not like if you can do everything, if everything open. Remind something, is not Mother's Day in France today, is only in Jamaica and different countries. I think USA is Mother's Day too. No, it's not Mother's Day in France. It's gonna be Mother's Day in France on June, okay? So because we're Mother's Day, Jamaica church today, because we're gonna do like if we are in Jamaica, because I'm sure they want her Mother's Day. I'm actually boiling some eggs and yeah, gonna start the day. Enjoy your day, enjoy today's vlog. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. You guys, it's our day, Sarah. It's our day, girl. It's me and my girl day today, and why? Sarah turned 10 months today, and today is Mother's Day in JA. It's not Mother's Day in France, but I celebrate Mother's Day twice per year because I celebrate the Jamaican Mother's Day and I celebrate the French Mother's Day. So yeah.
Ma, you'll never know what is in this box.
What is that?
It's your gift.
It's a gift for me.
Yes, it's a special Mother's Day gift.
Okay, so I can open it.
No, not right now.
So how am I gonna
You're going to open it after lunch.
What? So why can't I open it now?
Because
Listen to little man and do it after lunch.
Okay, I'll open it after lunch, sir.
Okay.
I get a gift, but I can't open it until after lunch. Anyway, you guys, happy Mother's Day to all you amazing, strong mother out there, you guys. Y'all know that this ain't no joke. Going through child's birth is literally life and death, and it's not easy, but we did it. I guess Almighty know what he was doing when he gave that role to women. But yeah, this one for me is special. Not that the others weren't special, but this one is super special because I don't have just one, but I have two babies. Two blessings, okay? I got my perfect girl and my perfect boy. So anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys have a good Mother's Day. Enjoy your day. And stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. I love you guys. And I'm going to carry on with my day. Yes, Dad.
Go somewhere else. I'm going to decorate here for your Mother's Day.
Okay, I'll do that. He's gonna decorate some the living room for my Mother's Day, so I must go somewhere else. Sarah, my every now. And I also need to take Sarah 10-month pictures. So I think I'm gonna do that now. Try and see if she'll cooperate. To take her 10-month pictures.
Maybe.
She not gonna cooperate at all. At all. Knowing Sarah, me and her have to fight. No, don't put her down there. She and I have to fight for me to get a picture of her. By any means, we fight. Jesus love to hear little Sarah sing. Clap your tiny hands for joy. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands for joy. Put this over my head. Jesus love to hear little Sarah sing. Clap your tiny hands for joy. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands for joy. Sarah!
Sarah.
Jesus Christ, you pull out the headband.
Il était un petit homme, pirouette, cacahuète.
Sarah!
Il était un petit homme.
Honey, with your phone, you could not get some pictures same time. Sarah! Baby!
Sarah. Woo, bravo, debout.
Clap your tiny hands.
Debout, 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 debout. Votre maman debout, 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 debout.
Clap your tiny hands for joy. Jesus loved to
Sarah?
hear little Sarah sing. Clap your tiny hand for joy. Clap your tiny hand. Look at Papa. Stand. Jesus beans. Clap your tiny hand.
Sarah, that was easier to make pictures with you
Look,
when you were 10
take
days.
picture of her without me. Good night. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands for joy. Jesus loved to hear little Sarah sing. Clap your tiny hands for joy. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands for joy. I can't believe Sarah pull off the head. She gonna hate headband. She gonna hate everything on her head. Because we haven't gone out in a long while to put on headband, don't it? Alright, good job, Mama. Go to Papa. Go to Papa. So Mama can get this. Go to Papa.
Yeah, Sarah.
Go to Papa. Go to Papa.
Yeah.
Good girl.
Hey guys, here's the first little surprise. Tyler wanted to do a surprise things for Babe. So let me just show you the little things that he wants to do.
I want to decorate our bed all around.
You want to decorate our bed? So this is what you did, right? You decorate our bed.
Yes, let's do some more. We can decorate.
So what we gonna do? What we gonna do?
Oh.
You're gonna turn off all of the light?
No, have idea.
What you gonna
Why
do?
don't we decorate with flowers? Nah. Oh,
Alright, let's see.
flowers give me an
Guys,
idea.
Tyler wanted to decorate some things, but we don't really have much time or much things, so he just put these little things around our bed. This is cute. We find a song on TV, so we're gonna play a mother's songs on TV. We also did the traditional writings. Happy Mother's Day with a little heart. And we're gonna turn on all of the light, and when she comes, we're gonna do a little surprise. And yeah, that's little things. Tyler, imagine it is all about Tyler. So I'm just gonna try to help him. And yeah.
When we turn off the light, we are going to hide somewhere, and we are going to turn on the light, and we are going to come back fast here. We are going to say surprise.
All right. Hi guys, you're not seeing her, but she's just in front of me. Move on.
Oh my god.
Move on slowly. Close your eyes.
Close my eyes?
Yeah.
But how am I gonna walk?
I'm just behind you. Turn on the right.
I'm going to open.
Yeah, you close your eyes.
Don't make me look up in that.
No, I'm just here behind you. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Alright, so you're here. You don't move. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Surprise!
Yes.
Surprise! Happy Mother's Day. I love you.
Well, not gonna make me cry. Well, not make me cry.
I said just a surprise.
I like it.
Also, we decorate Sarah bed.
You decorate Sarah bed.
Kaka.
Come here. Thank you, I like it.
Now you can open your gift.
You have a gift for me?
Yes, there.
Where is it?
Here.
Okay, carry it go.
My emotive wife.
Careful.
Your brother has a
Close your
fire
eyes.
face.
Close your eyes.
Okay, I close my eyes.
I will tell you when to open them. Don't open. Open now.
Okay, thank you, I like it.
This is purple. That's why I gave it to you.
Okay,
And
so
so
you got
long.
me a skipping rope. You got me.
No, it's not a gift. It was just teeth.
You got me a little ball.
Yes.
And you got me an egg.
Yes. You can look inside these special things. And to change to press on the top.
There's a rat mat inside. And a butterfly. And a bee. And a nylon. And a dragon tree. Okay, I like it. Thank you. I appreciate the gift. Come give Mama a kiss. Mwah! Thank you, Tana. You guys, you see my gift? You see, my gift is the thought that counts. And he wrote me, let me see what he drew a heart on this paper.
No, first let's start by top. Happy Mother's Day. I love you.
Okay, I like it. Thank you, my baby. I'm gonna snap a picture of it. I love them. Thank you, Tyler.
After you can take a
Babe, I got you.
Hi guys, welcome to Little Kitchen.
I'm assisting baby in the kitchen today, y'all.
My little assistants.
Baby's about to cook.
She don't be bad, don't be hard. I'm not gonna be hard with her today because she's just a new. She's a learning.
I'm a trainee.
Yeah, she's my training. So I'm gonna try to teach her a lot of things today. I'm gonna show you, and I'm trying not to be hard on her. Okay. What's your suggestion? What do you think we should do?
Put the. I like the words you're choosing.
What do you
Put
think?
the oil in the pot. Put some oil in the
Good
pot.
suggestion. Good suggestion.
Oh, hurry, because I don't have all day to be assistant. Stop.
That's how assistant talk?
Yeah.
No, you're here to learn. You're here to learn. So you just put the oil everywhere in the pot like this. You just do it slowly, try not to burn you. So you have to. You need some experience to do that. So, yeah. What's your next suggestion?
Mix the meat up to incorporate all the seasoning.
I think that's a good.
You have to do it fast.
I think that's a good suggestion.
When you foolish me. Honey, all your hand, get it in there. Do it.
That's how you talk? I understand why you get fired from your last job.
Okay, stop. You need a spoon.
That's your suggestion? I need a spoon?
Yes.
Okay, for now you're still good. You're still good.
You need to put all this seasoning in the pot. No, you need to take up the board and scrape it off in the pot. Everything one time. Fast, baby, fast! And your flame is too high.
That's the one move that you just did. That's the one move.
Baby, only the seasoning. Why you put it to me?
No, why you tell me everything?
Go. Throw it in there.
Everything?
Yes. Why you don't follow instruction?
I follow instruction. It's work out it on camera. You say everything. A bad suggestion.
Mix strong. Hold the pot and mix everything. You need to don't let everything fall out the pot. The meat, you're trying to separate the meat. You're not to let it be in a ball. So you need to use the back of your spoon and kind of crush it out. The back of the spoon. Right. And get the seasoning going everywhere. Let the thing cook properly. Honey, you have to go fast. This cooks very fast.
I never saw assistant talking like this. Like, seriously.
No, you're making it lump up. You have to do like that. That's fast. You have to make it go everywhere.
What's your data?
Fish over there. Come, take over.
What's the next suggestion?
The same thing. Keep going fast, honestly. I didn't say to flip everything out of the thing. Just push all the lumps. Look for all the lumps and mash them out. Babe, don't be afraid to handle the food. The meat is already dead. He can't do that. So. Yes, avocado paste oil. Yes, get rid of all the lumps.
It's gonna be the best meal you ever had.
I hope I don't get sick. If you guys don't see a vlog tomorrow, then y'all know what time it is. Y'all send out an Amber Alert. Send out an alert for your girl. A health check. Wellness check.
Oh shit, you just
What?
You just walk behind me and you give me the bad look.
Just make sure no lump that's in there. All the lumps, find them and squish them out. And you should be grating your own cheese. both of me. Fresh, you see it here? How is it going, chef?
It looks good. What's your next suggestion after that?
Make it cook, keep mixing.
Let me see if you give me enough good suggestions to give you a good grade.
Why so much seasoning almost flip out the pot at the handle?
That's why I say you give me bad luck when you walk behind me. Your fault.
Sorry, your father is a hot man. Yes, the father. Taste it and see what it wants. Is it, does it want more salt? You want more seasoning?
I don't want seasoning, but you don't have no salt.
You don't have no salt?
You put salt?
Yes. You don't have taste bud enough, so. The taste bud high. I'm gonna trust you. You're right.
Hey, chili.
You know the salt is fresh. Fresh like our. No taste.
All of this need to go in.
Yes, all of that.
Normally you don't see the chef going to the bin like this. You see the Trini do that. But because she needs some more training, I let her with the plate to get some practice. This cake can be done by me.
Slap never give
You want me to give you how to wash your hand after? What you need to do is from this finger to
Get a plate. Trini.
No, I'm not the trainee, I'm the chef.
Chef.
You are the trainee.
Tyler said he wants sandwich for dinner. Can you imagine he said he wants ham and turkey sandwich for dinner? So that's what Tyler gonna have for dinner. Mix your pot, chef. And we're having tortilla cups as simple as it gets around here. We ain't fussy. Mother's Day, but it's nice. We cool. With that. Well, Sarah over there talking to herself. Chef, your cups need to be warm. Chef.
How long you think it should warm up, Jenny?
15 seconds, chef.
15?
15.
15 seconds?
Yes, chef.
I'm not sure that.
You think more?
I think more. But let's see if Jenny is right or she gets a bad grade. That's the most important thing, you know.
Lettuce at the bottom of the cups.
Yeah, that's what they said. So what are you copying?
You put lettuce,
Yeah.
then you put meat.
You're fire. After the meat is done, you're fire. That's all. That's
You're not finished yet. You're moving too slow.
love. You have to put love in your plate. Love.
I love box, boy, you love.
Yes, you do it wrong when you don't put love.
Tai, your sandwich is ready.
Not with love.
Yeah, Tom. You said that again.
There are more meat in yours?
No, now you put avocado and cheese. You're not finished yet.
I think you have a mental.
Still not finished yet?
I think you have an issue.
Turkey.
It's their time. Okay, I want extra pepper on mine before the cheese
The
goes on in.
turkey's on top, the cheese are under the cheese.
Damn. Well done, chef. Mother's Day dinner complete. Mother's Day dinner complete. Bye, Chef Ludo. Thanks for baby, Zoo. Well done.
Mama,